Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Rey Cancionero. Today I am going to show you how to make one of my favorite Spanish dishes called pozole, after which I will show you how to make a Spanish dessert called bionico. They both originate from Jalisco in Guadalajara, Mexico. The cuisine is a mix of pre-Hispanic and Spanish influences. Their comida has unique flavor and is made with their own techniques and style. To start out with our pozole, I have already browned about 2 onions and about 2 tablespoons of sliced or diced, whichever way you prefer, garlic. After which you will take pork shoulder. This is pork from a pig we raised this spring and cut up, and dump it in there. Kind of mix it in. This is just a big stock pot. And the cultural center of Mexico is Guadalajara. Dump in next about 8 cups of water and mix that in as well. Guadalajara has 3 professional football teams and several universities. After that's all mixed in, you take chicken bouillon, probably about a cup and a half, and dump that in with the rest of the soup and go off to the side. Then you mix in lemon juice, probably 2 to 3 tablespoons, and probably 2 cups of hatch chili. These chilies were grown in New Mexico and can be grown all around the world. They're one of our personal family favorites. After that's all in, kind of mix it up and put in 2 gallons of hominy. Hominy is a corn. It's made by a process called nixtamina. It is done by being soaked and cooked in lye or wood ash. The earliest stages of nixtamina were in Mexico. Kind of stir that all up after you got it all in there. And put in cumin, chili powder, and oregano to add a little bit of flavor. Stir that in. Make sure your stove temperature is at about 7, 7.5. And once that's all mixed in, put a big lid on top and just let it sit there for about an hour to cook. And turn it on high after that, actually. And then Guadalajara was moved 5 times before it was put in its place it is today. To start out with our dessert, you take a can of sweetened condensed milk and put that in a bowl. Bionico was invented in the early 1990s in Guadalajara. It was originally made for a healthy breakfast, but soon was later converted to a dessert because of its sweet taste. After you have the sweetened condensed milk in, take 16 ounces of sour cream and put that in there as well. Popular fruits that people like to put in to the bionico is papaya, cantaloupe, honeydew, strawberries, apples, and bananas. You can put just about any fruit in there though. Those are just popular ones that make it taste good. I think we have bananas, grapes, pineapple, cherries, all kinds of fruit. After you get the condensed milk and sour cream mixed real good, put it in with your fruit. After this is all put together, stirred in there really nice. After this is done, well, it's pretty close to being done actually. The popularity of bionico spread pretty quickly throughout all of Mexico. It was a really popular thing and is in most of served in many places in Mexico and several places in the United States today. So after you have this all mixed, take shredded coconut and kind of sprinkle it on top. And some raisins as well. Guadalajara is also quite a warm place actually. It's got like a tropical climate all year round. It is home to over 4 million people. And now that you got your raisins and coconut on there, it's pretty ready to serve. And yeah, you can eat that after you're done with your pozole.